Prints panel documents. This system task is going to allow us to automatically print documents that we have in the panel of our process. Basically, what's going to happen is when the flow goes through this system task where we've selected the function uploader prints panel documents, we can indicate here a library field. It's going to grab all the documents from this library field, and we can also select a result field, a numeric field from the panel of our process. And in this field, it's going to tell us how many documents were actually printed. And then here in destination, we're going to have to select the printer. And down here, how do we want this to be printed? Let's show it in the application because it's going to be easier to understand there. So here we can see the system task 7. It says print selected documents. Basically what we've done here in this personal task, remember we manually checked several documents. We checked 2 of 4 documents. Later on, there's a system task that moves those 2 documents to a certain library. And then down here, we can print them. So I click on the system task. We can see the function that was selected. We can see that we're indicating that the documents that have to be printed are in a library that's called selected documents. Here we haven't added the result field because we're not really interested in seeing how many documents were printed. And here we can select the printer. In order for our printer or printers to appear here, it's important for us to install them in the server where Autoportal has been installed. Okay, it's only going to display the options that are correctly installed in the server where we've installed Autoportal. This is not something that we're going to explain now because it's something that has nothing to do with Autoportal. Basically, you go to the server, the same as I can go to my computer and install a printer. Once it's been installed, when we come to configure the system task, a new printer is going to appear here on the list. And then here it says documents to be printed, all versions or only the latest version. There is an option in Autoportal for automatic versioning of documents. If we're using this option, we can indicate here that only the latest versions are going to be printed. And here we can indicate the orientation of the documents.